Soft keys whisper in the dark of night. Bells chime gently in the moon's pale light. Strings swell slowly like a rising tide. A hymn of love where hearts collide. She walked through storms with skies so gray, held on to love that wouldn't stray. Her heart a fire that never dies, a spark eternal beneath the skies. Oh, love that stands through wind and rain, a hymn of joy, a sweet refrain. It lives in her, a sacred art, forever glowing